Hey everyone, this is KDN Jimenez coming at you from New York. And I am here showing one of the properties that we have. It has 170 plus reviews, and 90% of it is 5-star reviews. Now, the biggest two things I wanted to let you know about that landlords and homeowners regret is that they have to put a lot of time and money into their property, and that drives them crazy. Now, the biggest thing about that, and usually what's universal, is tenants. They have to turn over tenants, fix the place up, clean it up, and then that costs money and that costs time for them, which ends up being a nightmare for a lot of them. Sometimes there's litigation, being sued. Sometimes someone doesn't want to leave or comply. You have things like that happening as well. So we're here to tell you, what if you didn't have that problem? What if we could get rid of it? What if we told you we're the perfect tenant? And we're known as the perfect tenant at KDN Estate because we partner with landlord and homeowners just like you. So essentially, we create a contract where we're together for maybe half a year to a year, sometimes longer, depending how the relationship grows. And we'll host guests for 3 to 6 days. They're very short term. And the main thing is we make sure that the cleaning is done by a professional company. So we make sure that the pillows and everything, the home, the bedding, the dust and everything is impeccable. The floors mopped, swept, so that the guests have a beautiful experience when they come in. So it's always impeccably clean. The other thing is we have repairs. Sometimes we need to fix a floorboard. Sometimes we need to fix a doorknob, or sometimes we just need to fix something mechanical, an AC or a TV. And we have professional handymen that do that. So we're on top of things no matter what, whether you know it or don't. So in our case, we will try to make sure that the landlord does not, and the homeowner does not have to worry about anything. And that's where our partnership comes in. We pay directly to the homeowner slash landlord, and we create that relationship between us. Because you don't have to turn over, because you're paying, we're a premium tenant with you, and because you have no more headaches, your ROI, your return on the investment, goes through the roof, and it tends to multiply. Now, the beautiful thing is that instead of worrying about, oh, who's going to rent from you, who's going to do this, we do all of that. We do the background checks. We make sure that there's no pets. We make sure, and these tenants typically have no kids coming in. They're typically using the appliances very little, because they're here to do is stay, sleep, and then experience the town. So what we're also doing is opening up the property, our property now, to the world, so that we can share the experience of living here and bring some more smiles to everybody else. And because of that, then we can enjoy everything together and just keep producing, keep making this a happy place. So essentially, you get auto payments as the homeowner, and we will make our business off of the guests that we host, hosting beautiful experiences. You're welcome to come anytime as well, and let's see what happens. Because honestly, what's the worst that can happen? Like, if we don't work out, then maybe our contract could be a performance contract, 3 months or something, or 6 months. Doesn't work out, we go our separate ways. All right, maybe it was because it wasn't the right market for us, or you just didn't like us, or it didn't work out. You want to go the old way, not the new way. You'd rather do things the same way, and that's up to you. But we can always separate. That's fine. Now, what's the reward though? If it worked out, well, your ROI is going to go up, your turnovers are going to go down, and you don't have to repair typically anything, and we do all the cleaning. So so let me get this, your home is always clean, repaired, ready, and being taken care of. So it's always ready to rent, and you can always take it over and sell it right away as soon as we're done with it too. Sounds beautiful to me. That's why we're called the perfect tenant. So if you want to partner up as well, and any suggestions we're open to, and just click the link below, fill out the form, whether it's up top or the side or the bottom. Fill it out depending where you're coming from, and you know, reach out to us soon, because honestly we can't partner up with everyone, and we're probably only open for the next couple of hours, if not few days, because as soon as people hear this, they want to partner right away, and there's only so much we can take. So reach out to us right now. Be the first, be the second. Just make sure you're not the last, and we'll see you soon.